Recently, some Call of Duty players have been complaining. Unfortunately, the Call of Duty is stuck on the loading screen, and the Call of Duty game is not loading. If you find that you can't play the Call of Duty game because of this and are stuck at the loading screen, then watch this video to learn a quick way to solve these stuck at loading screen issues. So, let's get started. First, to solve stuck at the loading screen, you need to fix your internet issues. First, check your internet speed and stability. You can open the browser and type Internet Speed Test. Open this app. If you found that your internet is not working well on your mobile device, you can enable airplane mode for 20 seconds and turn off your airplane mode. Or you can switch your mobile network from Wi-Fi to mobile data or mobile data to Wi-Fi. After solving the internet issues, you now need to open Setting, scroll down, tap Additional Setting, scroll down, tap Developer option. Now find Graphic Drive Performance. Now find the Call of Duty apps. Enable System Graphic Drive. Now go back, open Setting again, scroll down, tap Apps, tap Manage Apps, search for Call of Duty apps. Tap on it. Now first turn on Auto Start. Tap App Permission. Enable Files and Media. Enable Location. Go back. Now scroll down. Tap Battery Saver. Choose No Restriction. Enable all the settings. Now tap Clear Data. Tap Clear All Data. Tap OK. After the first process, now follow the next process. Now tap on the Google Play Store, tap Search option, type Call of Duty, and quickly check for a new software update for a Call of Duty application. Now go back to your open Call of Duty. Now try to play the games and see what happens. After following the process, please comment below if you still have issues with Call of Duty on your Android. Thanks for watching.